Hello everyone and welcome back to our family. My name is Wendy and I do reviews on projects in the magic crypto world that definitely deserve our attention among most others. As you know, there are a lot of projects that were created just to raise money from investors and then disappear, so I will help you understand them. And for those who already understand them, I will simply point out the right ones. So let's get started. And today's project is Scalene. But however, before that, I should warn you, despite my thorough analysis before this video, you should personally check the information about this project before entering it. Scalene aims to provide blockchain infrastructure to create and recreate 3D NFTs and semi-fungible tokens on Polygon. Scalene Network NFTs are backed by fungible assets by implementing store of value features for NFTs and SFTs. To create a store of value NFT or SFT, fungible assets are deposited at the time of minting. Scalene calls this process forging. To withdraw your deposit from an NFT or SMT, the token must be shredded, NFT burn plus deposit withdrawal. Scalene is a platform for creators, designers, artists, developers, game developers, gamers, collectors, and investors. Founded in August 2021, Scalene 3D aims to create a system that will allow NFTs to be created, destroyed, and recreated using fungible token deposits. At Scalene see NFTs as an amazing new technology to fuel metaverse and 3D game development when combined with IPFC, tokenized deposits, and 3D object metadata. Scalene 3D token will fuel the Scalene network to create NFTs that function beyond a single minting process. Scalene NFTs can be minted, traded, and held, but also converted back to fungible tokens. These tokens can be used to programmatically mint new NFTs. This idea spurred the Scalene token philosophy. NFTs that can be forged as art to contain fungible tokens, shredded to remove fungible tokens, and then reforged into new artistic forms to be enjoyed and traded as NFTs before the cycle continues. This concept is what Scalene aims to build. A platform for artists and NFT lovers to obtain relevant and interesting pieces of art with a digital proof of ownership that can also be reforged into new artistic expressions when necessary. Scalene convertible NFTs are born. Scalene is a 3D NFT launchpad. You can create a collection of any number of NFTs using one or more 3D models. You can create the collection entirely with your original art, or you can use generative settings. Generative settings include randomizing mesh colors, gloss or metallic. You can create metadata for the entire collection using metadata distribution. This is good for giving NFTs stats like attack, defense, and even things like birthdays, horoscopes. Anything your NFT collection needs. Users will need at least one 3D token for each 3D NFT they create on the system. NFTs contain these tokens as a deposit. At a later date, the NFT can be destroyed to receive the token deposit, and they will work to add more lockable tokens in the future, also incentivizing lockups with DeFi and other value-added features. Scalene is currently in private or strategic round fundraising to build more to this great and innovative new system. Scalene private round, 3-month cliff. Liner for 12 months. Minimum contribution $10,000 and maximum contribution $250,000. Scalene strategic round 8% TGE 4-month cliff. Liner for 24 months. Minimum contribution $3,000 and maximum contribution $50,000. There are no added fees and they're non-custodian and decentralized system. Matic Chain 3D NFT Scalene Platform Token. A collection of any number of NFTs can be created using one or more 3D models. You can create a collection entirely from your original art or use generative settings. Generation settings include randomizing mesh color, gloss, or metallic. So you can use metadata distribution to create metadata for the entire collection. This is great for giving NFTs attributes like attack, defense, and even like birthdays, horoscopes. Each 3D NFT created by the user on the system requires at least one 3D token. NFTs contains these tokens as deposits. At a later date, NFTs can be destroyed to receive token deposits. Scalene will also work hard to add more lockable tokens in the future and encourage the use of DeFi and other value-added features for locking. Scalene is currently conducting private or strategic financing to build more for this great and innovative new system. Transaction tax is 0. Currently private round. Private sale price 0.0028 BUSD. Pre-sale price 0.03 BUSD. The Scalene general idea is to buy 3D token, mint into NFT and sell for higher value than the token because of art or use cases. So if you have amazing art, maybe you only need to deposit one 3D token. Because people are not buying it for the deposit, they buy for the art. And we can also see a big undoxed team. It's good that they show themselves. We can see them openly and clearly. The team has a lot of experience behind them, and they inspire a lot of confidence. They will definitely achieve huge. And the project also has its own roadmap. This is a very important factor because roadmap usually means the great professionalism of the team, that the team has a plan for the development of his project. Their plans go far into the future. And be sure to join the social networks of the project. I have been a part of their community for a long time, and I can say with confidence that you will learn a lot of interesting things in these social networks. The latest news is published on Twitter, and active communication is going on in Telegram chat. And now it's time to say goodbye, but not for long because I'm already starting another interesting project about it as soon as possible. And of course, let me know what you guys think. Bye bye.